It's 9 feet tall, Kerry. No base, air-filled. If you want to see how to make it, stay tuned. Hello, Greg from Blue Market here, and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, we're joined once again by Kerry from Kalisan.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Big question for you. What are we going to do?
What we're going to do? So, we are actually going to make a K-link column, which has no base or pole. Literally, the structure holds itself, which is really great for any sporting events that could be happening, or if corporate have it in certain colours. Okay.
So is it like just a normal column, bigger than normal column? What?
It's big. It's a big statement, this one.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I can tell everybody we are surrounded by balloons down here. They are all over the place. All right, let's do it.
Okay, so once you've got the pattern, it's really easy to keep going. So you need 4 of these, which these have been inflated to 9 inches.
Yep.
And we're obviously using red, white, and blue.
Yes.
So with these, we obviously need to make it more structural. So we're going to be putting duplets into there.
Yep.
So we are starting, I've just got to make sure it matches the other one. So we're going white, and then a blue one in there, and then a red one in there.
Okay, I can do this.
You've got it, see?
Oh, do I have to twist it?
No, you can just slide it through.
Oh, wow.
Some red.
Have I done it right? I don't know if I've done it.
That's perfect.
I don't get it.
Then a white.
How can it?
Because we're going to be adding stuff into it to make it there. Perfect. And don't worry about that for a second, okay? So we need 4 of those in total, okay? And then the other part of it, so you need 4 long ones.
So what are these going to be, sort of 4 things together?
This is the
uppy downy bit.
These stay straight the whole time, okay? So you need 4 of those. And then you need 8, which is the same size, and there's just 4 of the same colour in this design that we're doing. Again, same size, and all we've done is attached 1 on the end, okay? I'm just going to talk through how you do the base, but I have prepared it earlier just so that we can show it nice.
Do we need this again?
No, that can go to one side for a minute. So when doing the base, you grab your bottom 4 and you just tie it into a square. So I'm just going to wrap that in loosely just so I can undo it and use it again in a minute, like that.
Yeah.
And then at this point, I would then add water weights here and here just to hold it down.
Okay.
And then you attach your 1, 2, 3, and 4 there. Okay.
But what are those 2 balloons for?
You'll see in a second.
Okay.
So I've done this already. So if we pick up the one I've already made.
Which is where?
Which is just here. So here is your base. And
so this is the bit that we've just made down there.
Yeah.
So we're going to attach that onto that.
That one there.
Okay.
Yes. So it's really important on this one you make sure you copy the pattern. So obviously it's the 2 blue at the bottom.
2 blues.
Here. Yeah. So I'm just going to take this in. I'm going to wrap it around and do a figure of 8. And then I'm just going to use a neck of the other cluster. And I'm just going to literally tie that in. Okay?
Yeah.
This is the pattern. So you've got your square in the middle and your 4 coming off, okay?
Yeah. So you've not got any duplets in here, but you have got them on the other 3. Why is that?
Okay, so when making it, you only need 3 that's going to have the duplets on.
Yeah.
Because remember the 4 where I have 2 on the end already?
Yeah. What are those 2 balloons for?
You'll see in a second.
Okay.
That's your starting point.
So you're going to... okay.
So if you pass me a white one, this literally goes in and twists them round. So that's nice and secure on there.
Okay.
And then that adds your duplets on. And then that's your starting point. So then this one's coming over to here and just going between the duplets and twisting. And then it goes over to this side.
Oh, I see.
Through the duplets and twist. And then through the last one in a second, you go through and twist. And then this
and then that one comes round to that last. It's a bit.
It is, but
messy
once it's up,
it's to show on camera.
Yeah. And then this one ties into there.
And then you just repeat that all the way up.
Yeah.
Okay, let's speed that up then, shall we? And there you go. That is absolutely amazing. Can I just tell everybody, I know that was speeded up, but you and Kirsten did that in 2 minutes. It was really quick. It's all in the inflation. So this, the only difference I noticed, you've got 3 balloons at the ends here.
Yeah.
And that's it, isn't it?
And the reason I did 3 is because I've put 3 on the bottom for the water weights.
Okay.
So it's just to make sure it looks uniform.
Okay.
So that's why there's 3 at the top.
So should we see if it stands up?
Yeah.
Is there anything else we're supposed to do?
We need to put white ones inside, so we can either, because obviously at the moment there's gaps.
Okay.
So we can either do that whilst it's lying down, or we can do that.
Let's stand it up and see what it looks like standing up. That's quite an impactful column, isn't it?
Yeah. And we're going to put a 3-foot on top of it as well.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh my word, that's huge.
So if you can imagine, like for sporting events and stuff, or corporate, this is a big statement, which again is really cheap.
So if you were to put this outside, I know it's got the weights on the bottom, but it's still got a bit of movement. You could put heavier weights on, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you could attach it to something with a...
Like a pole, or attach it to, a wall or a fence or whatever. Okay, should we put the white balloons in then?
Yeah. So all I've done is inflated these balloons to 9 inches.
Yeah.
And if I lean it to you, Greg, if you just poke it in, and then we're literally just going to push it down to hide these gaps. I mean, you can keep these gaps.
Poke it in where?
In the top.
In the top?
Yeah.
I can't, it won't.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did
Keep
it. Keep going.
Yeah, we're putting it all the way down.
Oh, I see. Oh, this is so cool. This is so exciting. Oh yeah, that was satisfying.
Yeah. So then this is quite good, so you can bring other colours in.
Are we going through the top again?
Yeah.
Or can you go through here? Is it always got to be through the top? Oh
You
no,
can go through the middle if you like, but I like to see you go through the top all the way down.
It's detached here. It's detached.
That's all right. We can fix
We've
that.
got a malfunction, but I really enjoy this.
Which is good. I like when malfunctions happen when we're on screen, because then we can show what
There's a
happens if it
malfunction.
happens.
This is what happens. Look, that's come
So
on.
all that's happened is this has not gone through. So you literally just pop that back through there, and then just twist them round again, and it's fixed.
Okay, I've not finished putting that balloon all the way down. Yeah, I have now.
Well, there's a few more.
Try.
So you can push it in through the side if you like now.
I was enjoying going all the way. Oh. Wait. That's great fun. That's very satisfying.
And
One
now,
more.
you're going to ask me.
No, there's one more.
No.
What
Because
are we going to do with this then?
I will show you. Behind is a 3-foot with one of the whites attached. So I'm literally going to do this to you.
Okay.
You are going to pop it in the hole.
Hey. Oh, it's come undone.
It's all right. You know how to fix it now.
I don't. You know I can't tie balloons. You'll have
Come
to
here.
do that.
That's fine. That's just, again, it's just where the twist just needed to be a bit more. Done.
That is huge.
And then obviously we've personalised this as well, just to show how you can add personalisation to them as well. But if you can imagine this in a football stadium or a party or something like that, it's a huge statement on those. And you can obviously make them different sizes by just doing less quick links.
That is just enormous though. Look at the size of this. Can you see it? Look. I'm 6 feet tall. So that's at least 8 feet tall, isn't it? 9 feet, 8, 9 feet?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah.
And yeah, all air. So it's perfect.
The only thing is making sure you've got enough weight on the bottom.
Yes.
And keeping it stable.
Yeah.
Kerry, if people have enjoyed watching this, what should they do?
They should hit like,
Yes.
press subscribe,
Yes.
hit the bell so they can see whenever there's ever a BMTV.
That is true. And also, if they're on social media, where are we?
We are on, you are on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.
That is it. Give us a follow, give us a subscribe, whatever that is. Kerry, thank you so much for that. From myself and Kerry, see you next time. Bye.
See you later.